Greetings, beautiful beings. Welcome to our 5 minute journey to mindfulness meditation that can be completed at any day, at any time throughout your day. Feel free to continue laying down in your bed or wherever you are resting, or you can sit up with your legs crossed, straight elongated back, with your hands on your knees, facing upwards to receive all of the goodness that this practice will bring. Keep a slight gaze or feel free to close your eyes and breathe here naturally. If it is comfortable, you can loosen the muscles in your face, dropping your mouth slightly open and releasing your tongue from the roof of your mouth. Breathing here naturally with your eyes gently closed, let's bring awareness to what you are currently feeling and focus on any sensations without discrimination. Acknowledge where you are, what you are doing, and try not to feel overwhelmed about what is happening in the present moment. Take a deep inhale through your nostrils and exhale out of your mouth with a big sigh. Find the natural rhythm of your breath and breathe here naturally. Imagine that your body is illuminating with a bright light beaming from your aura and filling your body. You begin to notice that different areas of your body begin to light up brighter, demonstrating which areas your focus is presently at. You distinguish what emotions are coming up, how your body wants to move, and what exactly is happening around you. Continue breathing here naturally. Take a deep inhale in through your nostrils and exhale out of your mouth with a big sigh. One more time, a deep inhale in through your nostrils, and with a huge sigh, exhale it all out. Find the natural rhythm of your breath and breathe here naturally. If your mind begins to drift off to thoughts that are not being present in this moment, let's control the wondering. On your inhale, gather all of the distractions attempting to prevent you in this practice. And on your exhale, release the distractions with a huge sigh out. Again, take an inhale, compiling what is on your schedule, what needs to be done, or who affected your emotions before this practice. And on your exhale, discharge these distractions. One last time. Accumulate these disturbing distractions on your inhale, and with the largest sigh in this practice, free yourself on your exhale. Place one hand over your heart and the other over your stomach and find your natural rhythm of breathing, allowing your body to resonate in the present moment and regulate its breathing naturally. Recognize your awareness of controlling yourself, your emotions, your thoughts, and not judging yourself as you discover your personal journey to mindfulness. You are not in a race or in competition with anybody, but just here to become your best self through patience, remaining focused, being disciplined, and showing yourself grace when times get difficult. Just know you have full power of what you do and how to fulfill your purpose in this lifetime. Let's take one last deep breath in through your nostrils and release it all out through your mouth with a huge sigh. All right, beautiful beings, as we close this meditation, we manifest intentional thoughts, peaceful thoughts, intentional words, genuine words, and peaceful words, intentional love, genuine love, and peaceful love. And if you would like added affirmations and manifestations, we're going to take a deep inhale to prepare. And on your exhale, we are going to do I am power statements. I representing inspiration, A representing affirmations, and M representing manifestations. I am discovering my journey to mindfulness and will incorporate positive wellness habits to live freely and peacefully. I am magical. I am divine. I am powerful. I am unstoppable. I am peaceful. I am focused. I am worthy. I am beautiful. I am enough. I am here to achieve optimal wellness. I am taking back my power. I am grateful for another day and another opportunity at life. Thank you. Ashe. Now, if you are prepared to move forward with your day, we're going to go ahead and take a breath in to prepare and exhale and begin to awaken the body. Open your eyes, wiggle your fingers and toes, close your mouth and breathe naturally. If you are laying down, take an inhale to prepare, and on your exhale, turn over on into your side into a fetal position. Stay here for a moment and place your hand on the ground and lift yourself up into a seated position. If you are sitting, uncross your legs, release your arms, and shake both gently. Thank you so much for participating, and we hope that you enjoyed this journey to mindfulness meditation today. Feel free to save this for future reference. We manifest a positive, productive, and peaceful remainder of the day. Peace.